More businesses are reopening in parts of Southern California, and as you venture out, could you be coming into contact with the same surfaces touched by someone who has COVID? Our I-Team found that to be the case after swabbing surfaces for the virus in parts of LA County over the summer, and now we've taken our testing kits to Orange County. Investigative reporter Joel Grover shows us what they found and what it could mean for your health.
We swabbed this escalator in a shopping mall, the bathroom door at a famous chain restaurant, a shopping cart at a well-known clothing store to see what you might be exposed to.
I think it's pretty cool that you guys did that.
Dr. Annabelle D. St. Maurice is an infectious disease expert at UCLA Medical Center.
So it's kind of inevitable when we're out and about in our daily life that we're going to touch a lot of surfaces that others have touched.
That's why the I-Team swabbed 25 surfaces in Orange County using a COVID-19 test kit made by Philogen. The test doesn't specify whether or not the virus was live and infectious when we swabbed, only whether the RNA from the SARS-CoV-2 virus is present or not present. But if you get a positive hit, Philogen says that means someone with the virus might have been exhaling or coughing infectious droplets in the area.
Eventually, they're going to land on a surface. And then you can test that surface to see whether or not you had active shedders in that space.
At this Smart and Final on 17th Street in Santa Ana,
the bathroom door at Smart and Final.
That door tested positive for the virus that causes COVID-19. And we found it on a bathroom door at this CVS on Main Street in Santa Ana. But at another CVS on 17th Street,
Ice Spring Freezer at CVS in Santa Ana,
our test came up clean. We swabbed 3 different restaurants that have reopened indoor dining. At only one, the Olive Garden in Santa Ana, we found the virus on the bathroom door handles and inside the men's room on a stall door. At the Main Place Mall in Santa Ana, 3 surfaces we swabbed came up negative, but 3 others showed a presence of the virus.
Elevator near the food court,
including these elevator buttons, a chair in the food court, and this escalator, which had a sign saying it's sterilized with UVC light technology. If someone was shedding the virus and touched one of these surfaces, how could someone else get infected?
So someone else could get infected if that virus were infectious and they touched their eyes, their nose, or their mouth.
Of the 25 surfaces we swabbed, 8 of them, almost a third, showed the presence of the virus that causes COVID-19.
I think the test results demonstrate that SARS-CoV-2 can be found on a lot of different surfaces.
In statements to the I-Team, the businesses where we found the virus said they disinfect high-touch surfaces frequently and follow CDC guidelines and beyond, also pointing out that the agency says touching surfaces is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. Main Place Mall says it's made numerous investments that go well beyond steps recommended by CDC guidelines and has had numerous inspections by both state and local health authorities showing compliance with all guidelines. You've heard this before, but the doctors we interviewed want us to say it again. When you're out in public, wear a mask, use hand sanitizer, and keep 6 feet apart. And when you get home, wash your hands thoroughly. For the I-Team, I'm Joel Grover.